Good morning, everybody. What we got on the test stand here today is one of our 363 Ford Strokers. Again, this is based off a 302 stroke. Actually, it's a 302 block with a big bore. Again, if you're looking for us to custom build you anything, this happens to be a nice ensemble on here. This is, again, making about 500 horsepower. This is based on a 450 horsepower package. Again, this has the Eagle rotating assembly, nice hydraulic roller cam, Edelbrock heads. We have Taylor wires. We have MSD distributor, Holley carburetor. All our engines are dyno tuned and tested. Again, you're looking for a quality engine, Proformance Unlimited. There is no other. Enjoy the video. Thank you. How do we do? Let's see. Herman, we're going to check you out here.
Okay, Doug, 503 horsepower.
Yep.
492 foot-pounds of torque.
Very good. Well, Harmon, here you go. Here's your 363 Ford Stroker. I want to thank you for your business. Please send us some pictures of the car and or the three-wheeler bike. I'm sorry, the trike. Hey, send us some pictures of that trike. I'd love to see it. I would say car, I meant trike. Very cool. Thank you. Peace and God bless.